shopping on Rodeo Drive. Okay, that's where they made movies like Pretty Woman, Ocean's 8 with Sandra Bullock. Then we're gonna sneak down Sunset Strip, see all the cool clubs of Sunset, see where the hippies used to party at back in the day. And then of course we're gonna cruise down through Hollywood, talk about the history of Hollywood. You saw some of it earlier, but of course they shut the streets down for big movie premieres, but no movie premiere today. So we'll see where we have the Oscars, things like that. And of course the whole time we're looking for celebrities. Now I can't guarantee that we see a celebrity, but I can guarantee I'll freak out if we do, because I've seen J-Lo, A-Rod, Gwen Stefani, Blake Shelton, Chance Palm, Drake, Future, Offset, Katy Perry. And I freaked out the most the other day. On 2 days ago, we saw the bad guy from Terminator 2. Does anybody know what it originally said up there 95 years ago? It actually said Hollywood Land. We'll see you later, Beverly Hills. It's time to hop on top of the Sunset Strip.
Good morning. We are in Los Angeles. We came in just yesterday and had a pretty packed day to begin with, but today we are going to go to the Universal Studios. It's been 6 years, you guys, and there have been so many changes. We can't wait. Let's have a look at this amazing view here from the Hilton Universal City. I'll show you. There's the view. The entrance is right about here. We have a bit of a cheat sheet. Follow us and we'll show you the best sequence to get this park done in just one day. This donut bar. Executive breakfast to start our day. Are you guys excited for today?
Yeah.
Let's get to Universal, guys.
Is the shuttle here yet?
No, it's not.
No? We're late. So we got this this special express pass where we get into the park half an hour earlier. So the plan is to go there and hit the most popular rides first before the park opens up to the general public at 9. So we're hoping to get to Harry Potter. We hear is super popular and gets busy really quickly. So we're gonna knock that off first and then head over Jurassic Park, or I should say Jurassic World. The new ride, that's really hyped up as well. So I want to finish those two first.
The last time we were here was 6 years ago. The park has really changed since then, so we're looking forward to seeing all of the different changes. The ones we know about is that Jurassic Park is now Jurassic World. They shut down last September and they opened just a month ago, so it's brand new. We're definitely going to take you along to that one. They have the zombie Walking Dead as well. Over to the Harry Potter world. That's known to be the best place to start. You guys think of the Harry Potter ride?
That was a good ride. It was a combination of like roller coaster, like moving roller coaster, and like 3D animation.
Yeah.
So there was portions of the ride like you do your roller coaster thing, and then there's something here.
There's another ride. But this is the outdoor one.
This is the Harry Potter roller coaster was over before we knew it. That was pretty cool, the Harry Potter ride. We taped a point of view, a POV video. Likely we'll put that up if it isn't up already, so you guys can see what we saw. Can't leave Harry Potter World without butterbeer. Someone said the frozen one is better. How's it? How's any?
Now we just did the recipe.
It's floating. That's great. Our cheat sheet says to do Harry Potter World first and then skip down to the lower level to Jurassic World because you want to get the big stuff done quickly, and anything secondary we'll have time for later. Already 1 hour. Finally what we came for, Jurassic
This should be good.
World. This should be good. Coming off the Jurassic World ride and we're drenched. We waited a little bit for the front row seat. Woo, I don't know if that was worth it. Actually it was. Let's see how wet you guys are. Oh wow. Oh wow.
The back?
And the back. Jeez.
You can talk back to her. You can talk back to her. You were just talking to her earlier. Show her how you roll.
Now listen up. Rule number 1. If you have any small children, and you come up here, you put them in the red barrel or the green box. You say goodbye, you close the lid, and you walk away. The children will be fine with me.
That's the lower level. They have the Mummy, Transformers, and Jurassic World. Now we're just gonna head back up.
Working today, Universal Studios Hollywood. Feel free to take tons of pictures, Twitter about us, Instagram, tag us. Because I'm on Instagram and Twitter, so basically your place for it. Nobody lives in this city, people pretend to, but they're called actors of the place of on your screen. Dirty Harry, more recently. I said they were your favorite. Now, here's one that was completely graded inside the unit. You're gonna feel like a good back. I like Hey Norman, how you doing now? Why don't you hide the knife? You can't kill all of us, all right? Norman, hide the knife, not in somebody. That's a real 747 on the left. $60,000 to buy it from a junkyard, and an additional $200,000 to get it shipped to this location. They always get you without shipping and handling. You're looking at about a $300,000 set.
I knew I should have stayed on Dryland. Mariner, hurry! That fuel tank's gonna blow. We're not gonna make it. Hang on.
You want to get some for the kids?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's our day. The express pass, guys, is a must. We came to the park at about 9 a.m. and it's about 6 p.m. and we've finished all the rides. We've seen all the shows. So express pass, I know it's a little bit more money, but it's gonna easily save you 3 or 4 hours of wait time overall if you want to cover the whole park.
For our favorite rides today, we'll just talk a little bit about our top 3.
To rank my top 3 favorite rides or attractions, I would have to say in third place it had to be Walking Dead. Pretty cool. It's not quite a ride. It's more of a walkthrough, but I like it because it's very interactive. There's actual actors dressed up like zombies that are, you know, reaching out and trying to scare you and stuff. So it's a little different than, you know, just sitting there and waiting for like the robotic characters to kind of reach out and that sort of stuff. So that was cool. So that's my number 3. Number 2 would have to be Jurassic World. I know there's a lot of hype around Jurassic World being the newest ride here, but really fun ride. We ended up sitting on the first row, and we got completely drenched. So if you don't want to get too wet, I would recommend don't sit in the front row of each of the boats. But really well done. You've got you know, screens. You've got a lot of water splashing, and obviously it's a roller coaster. There's a lot of adrenaline as well. And my first place, drum roll, it's got to be Harry Potter. Very well done. Multiple screens. It's a mixture of like a 3D theater and roller coaster combined in one. So you know, you're going up, you've got the roller coaster portions, and then you've got the screens where the ride kind of stops or slows down, and then you've got a whole storyline that's progressing through the storyline through the screens. So that was a lot of fun as well. So yeah, so my 3, third place Walking Dead, second place Jurassic World, and first place has got to go to Harry Potter, for me at least.
Those are pretty good choices. I have to agree with The Walking Dead. That's number 3 for me. My number 2 is Jurassic World. I don't find it too much different than the original Jurassic Park, except the logo seems to be blue instead of the original yellow. Maybe the dinosaurs are a little bit updated, but it feels like the same ride, but I like it. And my number 1 is different than yours. It's The Mummy. I really like it. You can compare it to Space Mountain at Disney. So it's an indoor high-speed coaster. So
It was our day. I think we're all quite exhausted. I'm getting kind of hungry too. So I think we're gonna exit the park and head back to our hotel now. Right? Think we're ready, guys? Actually, we've got a whole day planned tomorrow for shopping. So, all right, guys. See you in the next one.